Alright, so today I thought I'd do something simple. Just swap out the case on my Flipper Zero. That's it. 4 screws. 4 tiny little screws. And a few other things, but a task so simple that somewhere on YouTube there's probably a 12-year-old doing it blindfolded while explaining quantum physics. And I thought, yeah, no problem. I've got this. Well, the screws had other plans. You know you're getting older when your biggest opponent of the day is a screw that's approximately the size of a grain of pepper. And back in the day, I could open pickle jars, move furniture, carry a CR television up a flight of stairs, and still have enough strength left over to help somebody move. And now, I'm in a wrestling match with 4 tiny screws, and somehow, they're winning. I mean, look at this. I'm turning. I'm pushing. I'm applying pressure. I'm trying every angle known to mankind. At one point, I think I actually started negotiating with him. Come on, buddy. Just loosen up a little. And nothing. The screws just sat there, judging me. Tiny little metal smugness. And those engineers who installed these things must have assembled them with the strength of 1,000 suns. Either that or hired a gorilla with a precision screwdriver. I don't know. You ever get the point where you're just trying so hard your entire body starts participating? Like somehow your tongue is out and a little drool, your shoulders involved, and one foot is lifted off the ground. You're making a noise that you don't even know if it really belongs in the human language anymore. And the worst part, you start looking around and make sure nobody's watching. Because if somebody walks in right now, all they're gonna see is a grown adult losing a battle against a hardware smaller than a Tic Tac. At one point, I was convinced the screwdriver was turning. I was positive. Then I realized it wasn't the screw. It was just me rotating around the screwdriver. The screw remained completely stationary, absolutely dominant. Honestly, I think the Flipper Zero is testing me. Not electrically, emotionally. The case swap wasn't the project. The project was character development. The real upgrade was discovering my limitations. 4 screws. That's all it took. Not a complicated repair. Not advanced electronics. Not programming. Not soldering. 4 tiny screws. Anyway, if anyone needs me, I'll be over here recovering from the most intense hand-to-hand combat I've experienced in years. Maybe tomorrow I'll try again, I don't know.